Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I just did a video and somebody asked for this graphic. It's not mine to give away. If I, I will email the person to see if he cares. And then they asked, how would they replace this name? We're just going to nudge that out of the way. You could do anything. Uh, my favorite way, especially with this shape, see how this is kind of curved? You know, it's more than just text to path. So we're going to get the Smart Fill tool. We're going to fill that in. Nudge it out of the way. Left click, right click. Go up to Effects and Contour. Contour to the outside, or inside, excuse me, 0.1. So you get a little bit of a break from the edge when you do that. You don't have to break it apart and move it, but I always do. Go up to Object, break Contour apart, and then you can grab the new contour. And then I'm just going to type out a word. Y'all know that I'm an Epilogue fan. Let's make it bold. And you could use the envelope tool, but I just like doing it manually. So let's get it kind of close. Let's zoom in here. Let's grab the envelope tool. And I am going to delete these two nodes. I'm going to keep the top one. And I'm going to just bring that node straight up. I'm going to bring that node straight up. I'm not worried about the edges yet, but now I can take my handles. And by having this contoured line, we're going to stay off the edge exactly the amount we want because we're matching up our letters to this edge. And when we bring it in the contour, they'll be off that edge. That looks pretty good. Then just take your text and just nudge it over to your void. And you could do other things with it. You could quite possibly, pull this E out beforehand and make it kind of conform to that shape a little bit. But you'd probably want to do that while you're still over there, but that looks good enough. And you could put, one or two names in there, some Joe's Automotive. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.